that chap there. Okay, first of all, create a new image of the size that you want to do. Let's just do 1000 by 1000 for simplicity. Then create a new image with the same width, but with a reduced height. Then do a new image with the same height, but reduced width. Go to Effects, Noise, Add Noise, Intensity Full, Color Saturation Off, Coverage on Full. And do the same with the other one. Then go to Image, Resize, make sure Maintain Aspect Ratio is not checked, and set the width to the original. Do the same with the other one, this time setting the height to the original. Copy one of them and paste it in. Add a new layer. Copy the other one. Paste that into the new layer. Click on Properties for that layer. And set the opacity to 127. And there we are.